In this video, we will go deeper into TouchDMIS by creating our measuring program. We will make different alignments, inspect features with different measuring strategies, and apply tolerances. We start by creating a new session using the Start button. The window will ask you to confirm the sensor probe and its orientation. We will work with the CAD model, so select Load CAD Model from the Start buttons, and import it into TouchDMIS. The software doesn't know the exact position of the real part in the machine table, and the CAD model will be imported with its default coordinate system. So, we need to synchronize the CAD model with the real counterpart in the CMM. To this, we must make an alignment. We will use a geometrical alignment using two planes and a circle. Let's measure the first plane. Select the features from the CAD surfaces and measure manually. Press Confirm to save the measured points. Now, measure the second plane. And measure the circle. Now that we have manually measured the features, we'll apply the alignment. Go to Datum and select the 3, 2, 1 coordinate systems. Pick up the features. Plane. Plane. And circle. Use the first plane as the primary datum. The second plane is the secondary datum. And circle as tertiary datum. As you can see, the datum window will add the features. Once the axis direction and origin position are set, check that Equate CAD option is active and press the Apply Alignment button to synchronize the part. Then confirm the alignment. Now, the CAD and the real part are synchronized. Let's try with the best fit alignment. Switch CMM mode to Prog from the CMM status buttons. Select the point. Click or tap to the feature to select the point to be measured. Measure some points on the planes. Go to Datum, and select Best Fit Alignment. Open the database, and select all the points from the features. Check that the Equate CAD option is active and select the Apply Alignment button. Then press Confirm to confirm the alignment. To add a GoTo in TouchDMIS, open the actual coordinate window. Then, select the GoTo option. You can input values manually, or you can drag the GoTo cursor where you prefer. Be sure that CMM is in prog mode. Press Confirm to move the machine to GoTo point. Now, let's measure some planes and circles. Select plane. In the measuring window, you can set the number of points and the measuring strategy. With the Edit Measuring Path button, we can access further measuring path parameters. For example, edit the offset value. Drag the cursors to edit the measuring path. You can manually drag each path point or input values. Further options, such as GoTo, add or delete points, are available by right-clicking or pressing and holding. Now, we are going to make the same operations with circles. From the result window, we can input a tolerance value. We can add it manually or pick it up from the list of tolerance standards. Finally, let's measure multiple features. To measure multiple features, press the Object button from the result window. Then select the feature. You can also set the number of points for each feature. Then, press play to execute the multi-measure. Now that we have created our first measurement program, we can save the session. To save the session, open the TouchDMIS Start button and select Save Session As. You can choose to include the measurement data from the session. Thanks for watching. Check our YouTube page to discover other tutorials and content from TouchDMIS.